Okay, this is, whoops, happily munching. Whoops, here baby. Here you go. Avian Organic Baja Bites. Whoops, you dropped yours, sweetie. I'm sorry. There you go. Okay, here you go. Here you go, Millie. Millie, thank you. And of course, Brody still got his, munching away. Yes. Brandy still got hers. You still got yours. Okay. Here you go, Biz. There you go. Yes. Everybody likes their Baja Bites. Do you want one too? Did you get your Baja Bite? Just a minute, Maya. You still got yours up there, Zena? Sorry, I'm not a very good filmer here. Zena's eating hers. Brandy likes hers. Lizzie's happily munching his. Maya. O'Malley's munching his. Maya. Just a minute, Brody. I'm getting it. Just a minute. Mama's fingers only work so good. There you go. There you go, Brody. How's yours doing, Vi? Did you need another one? Does Vi Pie need another one? There you go. Yeah. Oh, it's so good. Okay, Maya, did you want one? Here's the mouth. Do you want one, honey? No, you just want Mama to hold you. Kiki wants one, don't you? Yes. Did you want to change your mind, Maya? There you go. There you go. There, yeah, good girl. Good girl. Is that good, Kickers? Yes? Are those good? Tell Doris, yum, 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 yum. Yum, yums. Yes, yes, happy avian organic babies, yes. Yes, everybody's happily eating. Yes. Munchy crunchy.